Every breath you take begins with a miracle, a silent, invisible force that flows through your lungs, fuels your cells, and keeps your heart beating. That force is oxygen. O, the eighth element on the periodic table, and the very reason most life on Earth exists. Long before Earth formed, oxygen was born in stars. In the hearts of massive stars, hydrogen and helium fused to form heavier elements, including oxygen. When those stars exploded as supernovae, they scattered oxygen across the universe. That stardust became part of our planet. How oxygen is produced on Earth? Well, oxygen is the most abundant element in Earth's crust, and the second most abundant in the atmosphere, about 21%. It wasn't always that way. Billions of years ago, early Earth had almost no oxygen in its air. Then tiny organisms called cyanobacteria developed the ability to perform photosynthesis, using sunlight to turn water and carbon dioxide into food, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This great oxygenation event transformed Earth's atmosphere and allowed animal life to evolve. Today, oxygen is still produced mainly by 1. Photosynthesis in plants, algae, and phytoplankton, tiny ocean organisms. 2. Industrial production through fractional distillation of liquid air, separating oxygen from nitrogen and other gases. 3. Electrolysis of water, passing electricity through water to split it into hydrogen and oxygen gases. What oxygen is used for? Oxygen is everywhere, in air, water, and every living cell, but its uses go far beyond biology. 1. Life support. All animals, including humans, need oxygen to survive. It helps cells break down food and release energy. 2. Combustion. Fire needs oxygen to burn. Without it, flames go out. Oxygen is used in welding torches, metal cutting, and glass blowing to generate extremely hot flames. 3. Industry and chemistry. Oxygen is used in steelmaking, where it removes impurities from molten iron. It's used to make chemicals like hydrogen peroxide, nitric acid, and more. 4. Space and aviation. Astronauts and pilots carry pure oxygen for a high altitude or zero atmosphere environments. Rocket fuel often includes liquid oxygen, LOX, as an oxidizer to help burn fuel in space. 5. Water and the environment. Oxygen dissolved in water is essential for fish and aquatic life. It's used in wastewater treatment to break down pollutants and purify water. The power of oxygen gives life. But it's also reactive. It can rust metal, fuel explosions, and damage cells through oxidation. That's why our bodies use antioxidants to protect against damage from reactive oxygen molecules. More than just air. Oxygen is not just something we breathe. It's part of water. H2O. It fuels our energy. It drives technology. And it even sparked evolution.